dear Captain Smart warrior omo Ghana for na onhwe amanone and onhwe other countries akwesi ho waka say easy sa mo mpa ye kura so obema boni esi Ghana eti Ghana for mu tie me no mo support mama boni ensi Ghana because mo ti Ghana ye wa manone die obabi te it's that year. It's in a Captain Smart, one year journalist, where presenter, and I don't papa be any cinema or no answer. And baby, or ye, Jumano crown. As I said, what we need to say a doctor a year. Daddy, one woman and cry, I call sofa my sofa. Yeah, daddy, say hello, the other cacratch or no more. Why? I will say Captain Smart. The year from Kwan or June was any of them fast or Benny Sicato, the Aniedi. Captain Percent Bissau say about what you must get free of a cow. A man is a canal, what you Mandu, or Tiomoka. And with Jimmy Yano, see a yans and when you baba.
Encore in your babs cooker.
Hello, Daddy. Good evening, UK. Good afternoon, USA. The yesterday, dear Moahosen. Nice Batna. Who station? Na Indian Papens and Penson, Zoroko Ghana, Yamin Shro. Now that the Captain Smart is now Orocodon. Major Hupia Mentasi. She done there, and that, the Piaro say. And talk at the station time, saves 9. Bibia shall say, no sentam panel water and one woman. O see, will the say scene. I will bash a shas no quadu Ghana one, watch up. I'm in my blame and one my way in charge to deal with that. Our bash started all quadu social media, watch up. Fide, please, no wallet. Security, other security in so, no wallet. Ministers in charge, no wallet. And so I make a mass someday. Democrats, Nolan. P from one of working take the ministerial positions, ne P will go Ghana one. Once the Democrats are say. Or to be honorable Kanika Assembly, or say, and people for young Kwaramuti Democrats are say. Nasa, and ye be Surisana, Eish and Yupokunusuna Naban. The many pay and a money me in a lutin. Some unicha, or but some massy, and non into massy. She there, why if you are.
So be a winyansa and yet Gyimifuo Captain Smart and TF4 no. Make up obi o nim nyansa. Kwana koshe the policy document for one district, one factory. Na kachire me where it said say government in Kwani basi those factories no. Mom pointing out to mommy. Captain Smart, I want you to go for the one district, one factory policy. Look at the document. Point the line that said, say, government is going to be the sole constructor of these whole factories we are talking about. Bring it out, let us see. But do you know why you are able to do that, Captain Smart? You do that because you have no respect for the people that listen to you. You do that because you have no respect for the Ghanaians who have the, like who even takes the chance to even patronize your show. Because per the policy document of one district, one factory, we are told that government in conjunction with private sector, keyword, government in conjunction with private sector will bring one district, one factory. So there are some factories that are going to be started from scratch, that is spearheaded by the government. There are other ones that the government is going to partner with businessmen, such as Ibrahim Mahama, aka Jata Cement. Utie, just so you know, where Muye Ghana for one. The way a mama membu ne kono, the way a mama wiase kono, mama Ghana kono. Se man hwe ye be kakra ho. Wan kasa obeton wa ho amaniba. Because adwene amode twene no e wo fom dodo. Mutie, madwene amode twene ne ama ho no e wo fom. Inti Ghana ni se wo spend 1 minute e di ready ade a ebe ye wo den ebekun. Like seriously. So you take 1 minute take 1 minute pe. Na o de kind idea sabe Ghana ni ube wu. Into betena wa ye Gyimifuo atete kwa asa ama kwa sie bi te se Captain Smart abedada wa se wa brabo. Ube jeja wo ma Captain Smart e mo no abeka kire wo say ono ne what the policy ono ne wa adwenya e de sebe ye de se on man into mum bisa sa kwa sia Captain Smart ne say adenti na assemblyman akro ntumi ngina bi da. Because you know your track record is abysmal and stupid. Because onim so ono ankasa na ma me ponto aba ma no because onim say ono ba na ye kronfo. Onim pefe Captain Smart ma me onim say ne ba na ye kronfo. Because onim bibi government higher policy 1 district 1 factory in conjunction with the private sector. Factories ni bi wo ho aban na esi ne scratch. Factories ni bi wo ho so a ye ne private sector and are joining a yesi. Captain Smart, which part of in conjunction with private sector don't you understand? One say we Gyimifuo. Captain Smart, one say we bodam for a wadwene nya adwuma. Na de bi obenya nkwasiafo ebe betie o. Na ya na ya mega mo amokotie ye no mo na mo ye Gyimifuo mo amoba betie ti ankwasiasem we no. Mo na ya na mo ho ye me nwanwa. Mo na ya na mo ho ye me nwanwa. Captain Smart gina ho ebe kasa preko. Captain Smart 2016 kasa preko no oma ho den wo he. Just say adie bia di mpuntu bebe bia no these people lack the vision to say atena mo ye Gyimifuo class ah. Sa freedom fighters fix the country for atena mo ye dumb sa atena mo adwene ewu sa atena mo ye Gyimifuo asefo sa. Fix the country for atena mo adwene enye adwuma sa. Me be sa question no. Se factory gu ana se factory e gu. Na sa ban bi hu nyansa. Unlike Captain Smart no mo party NDC for na ade egu o mo behwema na egu no. Sa ban bi hu sa ade ye ma na ngu. Na mbom ye discabeshim ama na gina na etumi afa nipa government na yebone. Captain Smart, which part of the government just say like just say when you the same way is the same thing is the same thing. Ena away Amila, how do you call him? Avram Moshe say ena okasi obesi 88 on sin we aden no kwesi 11 agenda 111 or the better die. Also a common sense family. Now so when read and who no say 88 na naka so obesi no. Yeah, the reassess ni bibi area. Who say there are other districts are only need these hospitals, so we need to include them, and that is how the number changed from 88 to 111. Abraham Bushi also a common sense family where ready and kind no antiase. And I win see when we are then I be 111 because when him so be kasa na who get to you to know a better word you say and I don't know cross you be 88 when see we are then no be 111. But it was the same project. It was the same project. There was nothing different. Mutie, it was the same project. Because